So here we will be going to look at how to create an executable file for your Python code using Pyinstaller. So uh, the first step involves installation of the Pyinstaller library. So go to your command prompt and type in pip install Pyinstaller. So you can see that here it displays requirement already satisfied. Because I have already installed, it is already there. So for you, Pyinstaller library will be installed. In my case, I already have it installed, so it will be saying requirement already satisfied. So here we have our Python code that I have typed in just now. So we want to convert this into an executable file, and basically we convert it to an executable file because basically the first reason is that we would like to hide the code. We don't want to share the code, and the second important reason is that um, uh, when we're sharing our program to others, they may not have the required libraries, so the code will not function. The program may not work. This is why we would like to convert into an executable file format, which can be easily transferred to another system and we can run it. So for that, just right click, just open your command prompt here, or you can shift and right click on the windows and then open command window here, right? You'll be getting a command prompt here. So here what you need to do is, so here you need to give it a command by using Pyinstaller to convert it into a executable format. So here you type in Pyinstaller and give it the name of your Python file, that is tutorial1.py. So now it will take some time, but it will convert this .py into an executable format. So let's wait for just a few seconds. Yeah, so you can see here that it's written completed successfully. So what you need to do is go to distribution folder, uh, uh, then come down here and you'll find here an application. You can see here and it's written tutorial1. So just double click this file and here yeah, and sometimes the antivirus will pop up. It will try to detect it as a virus, but you can just close your antivirus. So if it doesn't open up, that means the antivirus has detected it. So give it some time, or just close your antivirus and open it. So here enter the number separated by comma 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see the total sum of all the numbers is 10. So 1, 2, 3. So yeah, basically this program will keep on running towards infinity, and this is why I created that while true loop. So this is one way, but in this way, if you see here, there are a lot of files created here, but the code itself is not here, so you cannot access the code from here. It only creates this executable and some other files which doesn't have a code. Right now, but you don't want this. You want to create maybe only a single executable file, right? So for that, there's another way to do that. So let's create here another one, right? A single executable file you want to create. Okay. So here, let me repeat the process again. Open the command window here, right? And now I'm going to type a little differently. Pyinstaller hyphen hyphen one file tutorial.py. So now what it will do is that instead of creating so many files, it will just create one executable file. So when you are transferring in this in the first process, in the first type of method, we have to give this complete files. But now in this single executable file, we will see that only a single executable file is created. That means only a single file, and only that single file that you need to transfer into your other system, or you can transfer into your friends and so on.